आज आम्ही आसात त्या साळावली धरणाच्या काठाचेर आज एक अत्यंत सुंदर असे आमचे हँडीक्राफ्ट कुणबी विलेज ही साकारता. आज आम्ही एक जॉइंट इन्स्पेक्शन दवरिल्ले. इट इज ब्युटिफुली डन. 50% of the work is done, and I hope in another 5-6 months you will be ready with this project. So there were two phases which were supposed to be they were doing. The first phase, I think the tender of 12.60, yeah, and that was done. The work is going on. We have suggested some few changes for this, because a good land should not be wasted just for parking. It's because of that still parking we have proposed, and over and above we would try to accommodate exhibitions and all, open area kind of thing, which all the artisans will come with their products, with their craft, and then it will be showcased there, and they will make a sale of that. Exhibition come sale. So this is the kind of concept that we have taken. आणि हातून भितर हे सगळे एरिया जे आसा 16,000 स्क्वेअर मीटर एरिया मॅक्झिमम कशी आमी साल्वार करतले आणि ताजो युसेज मॅक्झिमम कसो हाडटलो. So this village we will basically promote the local artisans products which are being manufactured at home or at any self-help group level, and they will have a bigger market wherein all the tourists will visit here. The main item is like Kunmi sari, Kunmi shawl, Kunmi bags, Kunmi jackets, because this is predominantly a ST dominated area wherein these people should have market for their product. We manufacture a lot of things. Paramparik amche je हे आसात handicrafts, they have a very good skill which otherwise you don't find in any open market. They will come here, they will also exhibit, or they will show the process how they manufacture it, and people all across who visit Goa will have a different kind of the tourism, which the Gramin tourism, the village or a rural artisans, and we would also propose some at the end of the day, or some shows, local folk dances and all, for to entertain the people who come here. So this entire area will have something like the accommodation over 200 people on the dam side, on the other side of the dam, and here itself. Right now we have provided to stay the artisans accommodation around 60 to 100 people can stay at any point of time. All those artisans खंयचे जे भायल्यानसून आर्टिजन्स येतात ते एक 15 दिवसा खातीर आपले प्रॉडक्ट घेवन येतले, एक्झिबिट करतले. दे विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय सम अदर स्टेट्स. So all the basically the idea is 50% of the area is reserved for the local artisans. 50% of the area, all those who come with innovative ideas, the artisans who temporarily come and put their exhibitions, their products. गोंयान भितर कोणी पर्यटक येता, टुरिस्ट येता, त्या टुरिस्टाक कुणबी विलेज कितें तें आनी तांचे प्रोसेसीस कितें आसात हे कळपा खातीर this is the area which is identified. A beautiful project which was sponsored by the central ministry, and again with the help of local government. Local government will have a equal participation in that, and we will try to get everything a unique kind of village wherein you will find all artisans belonging to ST community and other communities will have a good market. We will have a good workshop, training centers, accommodation, exhibition centers, and entertainment sector.
Of around 6 units for artisans, 3 units for the workshops. There's an accommodation block and there's a common toilet block, and also there is an entrance block. And we also created internal roads, as well as we are creating also some water conservation systems. And we have not actually touched much of the greenery area. We are also going to have more greenery in this area, and the structure is proposed to be completed within 9 months. Okay, and we should be completing the structure by May of this year. The work is more than 50% has already been completed, and as far as the development is concerned, it is going to what is planned by us. Thank you very much.
The contractor who is doing this work, I think so far we are happy with the kind of quality of the work, and you would throw
Yes,
more light.
I would throw more light into that. I make sure that the project is completed by May, end of May, and hand over the project to you.
Thank you so much for that. Okay, sir. Yeah.